Hello everyone. Just thought I would do a quick update on the progress on the Bogey Light truck camper. Sorry about the road noise. As you can see, this side is pretty well done. Needs a little trimming, and some of the foam needs to be covered up with a strip of Phylon on the bottom there. And this is the rear wall that I just finished cutting out. What happens here is that is the opening for the slide out portion of the trailer. The piece that I cut off out of there is here, and that will be the end piece for the box within a box that becomes the slide out piece. Obviously at one end it'll be an open-ended box, and it's the width, the exact width of, or not quite exact, I have about 1/4 inch of play of the wheel wells, so that will form something for it to slide along to and give it stability. Now this piece will also have the door in it, and there will be another skin put on over top of it that will overlap, and that's where the seals will go to keep the water out while you're traveling. And then at the end of the box there will be a lip put on, so when the box is pulled out, some additional weather stripping can go on the lip and seal the opening while the slide out portion is fully extended. That's about it for now. I guess if I focus in on here, you can see I figured out the size of the windows. There's going to be one window on each side. And the nice thing about doing it this way is the slide out portion will never interfere with the windows or wreck the blinds or anything like that. And also, since the slide out portion hangs down slightly from the ceiling, I also have a place to put any kind of a ventilator fan that I want to use. Now, at the front, I haven't put the patch on to cover the flexing section, but that's something I'll be doing this week. I have a lot of time this week to get a lot of things done. I'm hoping the inner box will all be done and I'll get the patch put on. And probably order the windows. It's always kind of fun to get the windows in, and gives it the look of something instead of just looking like a box that maybe would be good for carrying frozen food around. Anyway, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and I'll see you soon.